it's not a stop. That wasn't really one either. Fly off, honey. Fly off. Oh, exit dive. Hey, another exit dive. Oh, got off. Yeah. Thank you. Hi, someone's coming. Whoop, hey, that was a cutoff. And that was a red light run. Hi, wake up. You done the water there? Well, yeah, it's a mini. Oh wait, did we have an accident? Oh, we had an accident. Oh wait, what the hell? The Karen fight. Oh dear. Close your door, dumbass. We're in the red. Yep, ass, thank you. Bitch! Psycho bun, bitch! Yep. Yep, you're just so important, Cupcake. Yep. Stop tailgating. Learn how to merge, stupid. Learn how to merge. Jesus! Thanks, dickhead. Nope. You don't change lanes in the construction zone. There's no need for it. Don't do that. Don't cut them off. Go ahead. Be a dickhead. Moron. Stop tailgating. And he goes back left. Of course. Gee, fucking hit me, the motherfucker. No, you fucking peckerhead. asshole. What are you doing? Douchebag. It's traffic control. You stop. Stop tailgating. Ran the red. Close enough or what? What are you doing? Ah, you bastard! You need 2 lanes. Thank you. Are you going right? Go right. So I can pull up and get on the sensor, you idiot. Jesus Christ. Wake the fuck up, douchebag. The fuck is wrong? Rentard. In the red, maybe? I don't know. Can I have a green light, please, sometime today? Thank you. Guess I do. I think you ran that. Oh. What are you doing? Jesus, lady. Dang that. Stop signs are for everybody, douchebag. Yeah. Come on, go, 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 go. Jesus. Slow the fuck down, dude. Stop! Gee, oh my god. Just blow right through that fucking thing. Get off my ass, will ya? Get off my ass. Get off my ass. You're more than close enough, you fuckbag. Good, bugger off. And the cutoff. Alright, you're just a fucking asshole.